Hello friends. So today we're going to talk about Koch Chemie F601 and P601. And we're going to get the polisher out and see how well they do. Now first things first, I want to create my work area. So I'm going to do the the P601 here and the F601 here. And we'll see how well they do. But first, let's take a quick look at it. Now I want you to see the surface is not that good. Not that good at all. But we're going to see how well they do. Alrighty, so that was the P601. Now let's look at it. I'd say that looks much better. Much better all around. But this one still has issues, so let's see how well the F601 does. Oh, it feels good. Feels like you've definitely done something with it. There it is. Now I think it looks much better. But the point of this is to show you that both of them are good products. So what exactly sets these products apart? P601 and F601. What sets them apart? This one has a sealant in it. That's what sets them apart. Now, to be honest, I have no idea how long it takes for this sealant to be good at itself. But as you can see, this one is not staying put like it did. Well, that one was a second ago. There. Looks to me like both of them have a sealant in it. I mean, look at that. So, in terms of sealant, I didn't see much difference between this and this, but I will say both polishes did a good job. I mean, they brought out the gloss, that's obvious. It took out those swirls and blemishes. It's looking good and it feels good. So, for my particular purpose, I'm going to use the P601 on the headlights. I'll use them on headlights like at the dealership. I usually just put a couple of drops on a microfiber towel, and I just clear it a little bit and it's on there. The F601, I've done the same. I've used it on headlights. I've also used it on places like on the hood. You see some scratches, you're not really sure where it come from. So I was able to take some F601 on just a microfiber towel, and I didn't have to get the polisher out, and I was able to work it out of there. So as far as I'm concerned, these are really good polishes. These are both by Koch Chemie. I do like them. First of all, let me say thank you to the Dallas crew for letting me have these. They gave these to me as a gift, and I have been using them for the little jobs. But this car is about to get a bigger job. This car is about to be completely polished. Then I'm going to get it cleaned up, and it is going to get a ceramic coat. So that's probably going to happen in the next 30 days or so. So be watching for that. But in the meantime, the Koch Chemie F601 and P601, let me put them where they belong. They did good on their respective sides. They took care of a lot of blemishes on this, and that is all I can ask for out of a polish. Because if I'm going to use a polish, that's what I'm going to use it for, is to make the surface better. So I got the tape off of here, and let me tell you, right there, that's where it starts to grab. So you can definitely tell the difference on where I polished and where I didn't. That's where it grabs right there. That's funny. But hey, that tells you the product is doing what it's supposed to do. I think I am going to go home now and take a chill pill. But in the meantime, you guys be good. Stay true to yourselves. Don't be crazy dealership detailers. I'm trying to think of something else. Can't think of anything. So with that, I hope you all have a wonderful day. We will see you later.